Hi everyone, Carrie Beck here with Family eBiz, where we help families and individuals grow their online business so they can find freedom and do the things that are important to them in their lives. We are in the middle of a podcast series to help plan for this year. This is being published in 2025 in January, and I want to talk about your priorities today. One of the things that I keep seeing and hearing over and over is I need to do this, that, and the other, and they're looking in the wrong place to grow their business. Now, before I talk about the best place to focus, I hope that you have subscribed to this channel. And if you would just share this episode with one friend, that would be amazing. So, what is it? So many people are like, I got to get my website going. I got to get my blog going. I got to make some products. That is not where you start your business. You start your business by getting a list of people that are interested in your topic, in your niche, in whatever that transformation is that you're going to offer. You can create all the products in the world and keep making new products, but if no one knows that you have these, doesn't really matter. And if you have no list, no email list whatsoever, you are throwing away 80% of your hard work out the window. Email marketing is alive and well. It is not dead. And I believe it is your number one asset. And that's what we're going to spend our time talking about today. Email marketing is the only thing you can control. You can't control the algorithms for Google or Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest or any of those. Social may seem sexier, but email converts. I'm going to tell you right now, when I promote an affiliate product, it is my emails that convert them to buying it. When I launch a product, it is my emails. Now, sometimes they may click on a social, but you can see that they have clicked on all these emails and then finally decided to buy. So, what is it that we can talk about? What I want to do today is talk about how you can grow your list via email, how you can, the most important things you need to include in your first emails, and just really why you need to grow your email list. There are so many benefits. First, it will help continue and build a relationship with them. You will become a familiar presence in their life and in their inbox. People are like, I only want to send one a month. Well, one a month, they're going to forget you. Now I send a lot more than most of you do, but I think you've got to at least be sending one email a week. This begins a relationship, and it begins the idea of creating trust in your relationship. It is the first step to loyalty, and it is the first step to them buying your products. You can also use your email list to find out what they need and what they are thinking. Times change, and maybe their needs aren't the same as what they were 3 years ago. I think it also offers your subscribers some exclusivity. On my homeschool list, that is the only place that I send our Friday freebie and our Totally Tuesday. Both of those are free items. I do not share it on social media. I don't share it anywhere except my email list. And they are the only ones that can go and get that free resource. It may be for a limited time or it may be an evergreen freebie, but that is exclusivity. That is paying attention to your list and giving them extra stuff for them as well. I believe also an email list can help you refine your present products and decide what you're going to offer in the future because you can have conversations with them. You can send out surveys. You can find out what their problem is by just asking and saying, hit reply and let me know. I also believe it is easier to sell to your audience through email because they already trust you. If you have been building this relationship that I already trust you, I have people that say, oh, Carrie, your email is the only one that I make sure I open yours and read yours. And we do. On our list, we get a 40 to 50% open rate. People are reading and clicking on those as well. So I think email is one of the best things that you can have for your business. You absolutely need it. Again, if you don't have an email list, 80% out the window. You're like, yeah, but what about how am I going to make money? Well, let me tell you, if you make a product today and you finish it in 3 weeks and you don't have an email list, who are you going to sell it to that trust you? You want to begin building that email list, know, like, and trust. So when you have that great, wonderful product ready to launch, You have raving fans all sitting there waiting for you. So let's just talk about a new lead. They land on your page, they get your free resource, your lead magnet. They've signed up, and really all they really want is that gift. So you're going to have to give them some reasons to keep coming back to read your email. First of all, do not give your lead magnet away on a website. Always start training them. They need to open your emails. So what are some of the 6 things, let's say, that you need in your first email? First, your new subscriber, it needs to be super easy on how they can download their gift. Super easy. No confusion whatsoever. Go back and look and see how easy it is. And you also need to make sure that whatever you are giving them, that lead magnet, is delivered and it is what you promise. You don't over deliver. Make sure that whatever you are giving delights your customers and they are ready to bookmark your site because you've given them such wonderful. And you're like, I don't want to give away too much. Let me tell you, if you give away too much, if you give away great stuff, they're going to go, what does she include in the paid? Think about it. I give away great stuff in my lead magnets. And so they're like, ooh, I'm going to get that paid item. It's got to be even better than that freebie. So easy to download, delivers what you promise. It makes your new subscriber want more of you. Keep drawing them back to where they keep opening. They're like, this is awesome. I got to make sure I start opening their emails as well. And then your subscribers should open your next email because just the way they feel. They've got a warm feeling about it, experience. Great. When they see your name, they are like, I'm going to open it. They trust you that you are really going to deliver what you have delivered. All right, that's what you want to make sure. There's curiosity in your subject line in your next email. One of my best emails on email number 2, hey, did you get my email yesterday? And all it is a checkup to make sure they got their free resource. I get people writing me back from that every single day. And you want them on that next email to start remembering your name. You want them to open all your emails. All right, so easy to download. You deliver what you promise. They want more of you. They want to open your next email, and they should anticipate your emails with pleasure. Let's say they go through the welcome series. They want to still keep opening yours. And so you want to give them that warm feeling. You're giving them the content, you're giving them the ideas and the concepts that they need to be successful in that niche. And then they should be eagerly waiting for your offer because your next offer will be paid. There you go. You got to start making money. That's the last thing in the 6 items. Put yourself in their shoes. If you received your own welcome series, would you be excited about opening the next email and the next one? Would you be excited about the next offer? Go back and evaluate those and see what it is like. Is it easy to download? All right. So I want to close with a challenge to you. I don't know how many lead magnets you have. You may just have one. You may have 50. Choose one lead magnet that you offer. I want you to go to the landing page that you offer and make sure that what you say on that landing page, you are delivering. It is matching. The landing page and what you give in your lead magnet in the email matches each other. And then I want you to make sure that the new subscriber wants more of what you offer by looking at the email series that you have as well. Will they open the next email because you've started a relationship with them? Do they anticipate more emails with pleasure? Not going, oh, I'm getting rid of this lady. Are they eagerly checking out your next offer, whether that next offer is free or paid? That's what you want. Email is where it's at. Email is, like I said, my number one asset. It is gold in my business. If I didn't have email, I would not be making much money. I certainly would not be making a full-time income. So let me know what you think. Leave a review. If you can leave a review, leave a comment about what you're going to do. Which lead magnet are you going to take the challenge for? Hey, I'm Carrie Beck with Family eBiz. We'll talk to you next time.